for our maths today, children, we have our crocodile to show you, an activity for you to do. Okay, so this is a crocodile activity and he's come back to see you. Now, he wants you to play this little game. Now, this is a Play-Doh board. It's a Play-Doh mat. And each of the mats, there's lots of them here, has got a different number on the top. Can you spot a number along the top? There's a number. Do you know what that number is? That's number 1. And if you're not quite sure, there's a 1 triangle there. There's 1 there that I can count to check. Now, all we have to do for this activity is we've got to make some teeth to go on our crocodile. Now, this is where you might not have any Play-Doh or some salt dough. So, before I show you how we do it, I'm just going to show you what I've just made in my kitchen. So here is some salt dough, and I'm going to use this because I'm going to make some crocodile teeth. And I'm going to bake them in the oven. When you've got salt dough, you can bake it in the oven, or you can dry it out in the microwave for 10-second blasts in the microwave. But the best way is to do it in the oven on a very low heat, okay? And you can Google recipes for easy salt dough, and I will put one on our sway as well, okay? So all I did, I got, now where is it gone? I used this cup. I used this cup as my measuring cup, so I didn't have to use weighing scales today. I used a cup, and to make that salt dough, all I had to do was fill up 2 cups. So 2 of those, 1, 2. So I did 2 cups of flour, and I put it in a bowl. Then, now this is the cooking salt. Any cooking salt will do. And I poured 1 cooking salt, just 1 cooking salt cupful into the bowl. When I did that, then I got one cup of water, poured that in as well. Mixed it all in with my wooden spoon until it was stuck together. Then I just floured my work surface with some more flour. And then I plonked it all on and I started to knead it. You can do this with your grown-ups, okay? If your grown-ups will make some with you. You can knead it, squash it, squish it. It's really good for those fine motor skills, developing your muscles, which will help with your fine motor skills. So as long as you're squeezing, pressing your fingers into the Play-Doh, really strengthen those finger muscles, really strengthen them. So once you've done that, and it becomes a big splodge stuck together, okay? Now, so for this activity, it could get messy in here, but we are going to make some teeth to go on our crocodiles. So this one said 1. He's got 1. Now you can make yours a better shape than mine. Let's see if I can make it more of a triangle shape. Ooh, yeah, pointy tooth. It's a bit big, but look, he's got a tooth. And that's the number 1. Look at that, children. I made a crocodile have 1 tooth. How clever am I? Okay, let's see if I've got another number here. Have a look on my Play-Doh mat. Look at the top. What's that number? That's saying I need to make and count 2 teeth onto the crocodile. He's got no teeth at the moment, but if we want him to have his big grown-up teeth now, so we need 2. Let's see if I can make 2. So I'm going to get my Play-Doh, well, it's salt dough. I'm going to make it into a point, like a triangle shape. Is it pointy? Sticking to me. I think I need more flour in it. Okay. Right. There's 1. At least it'll stick to my paper. Oh, it's a long tooth, that one. Onto my Play-Doh mat. Oh, that's better. Look, it's a pointy tooth, but I don't want 1. I want 2. So how many more will I need? I need 1 more to make 2. Let's see if I can make One more tooth, pointy one. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look, I got 2 teeth now. 1, 2, 2 teeth on my Play-Doh mat. Excuse me. Right, this one. Can you see the number at the top? Make and count, and it's telling me 3 teeth onto the crocodile. Okay, so he's got no teeth at the moment. We need 3. Let's see if Mr. Nolan can make 3. Okay, I've got my Play-Doh, my salt dough. Squidge and squeeze with my fingers till I get a point. Okay. We'll put them on the bottom one this time. Maybe I'll have one on the top as well. Let's have a look. Okay. Ooh. And one more. Oh, I'm getting good at these teeth now with a point. Ooh, look at that. His teeth are growing. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. And it says 3 at the top. Wow, Mrs. Nolan, you're getting so clever. Right, let's make another one. How many does that one say? That's right. It says make and count 4 teeth onto the crocodile. So I need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what 4 looks like. Because it's getting more. I need to remind myself. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh, sticking to my finger now. That's 1. Let's get some more. Ooh, pointy. Ooh, look at that. And 2. Bit like a triangle, that one. I need another one. So now I've got 3. That's a funny shaped tooth. Hang on, let's make it a bit more triangle. There we go. Right, so I've got 1, 2, 3. I need 4. How many more? 1 more, that's right. 1 more makes 4. And then it will be just right for 4. Okay, here we go. Wow, that's a big tooth on his bottom gums. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 teeth. He's getting lots of teeth now. Right, you get the idea now, don't you? So, I've got one that says 5. I've got one that says 6. And I've got one that says 7. And I've got one that says 8. And guess what the next number is? That's right, 9. And 10. Okay, so you go and have some fun now. See if you can make some salt dough. And what you can do when you've made the teeth out of salt dough, then ask your grown-ups to put them on a baking tray. Take them off your mats, your Play-Doh mats or your crocodiles, whatever you're making. Then get the grown-ups to put them in the oven on a low heat and bake them. And it's usually about 3 hours on a low heat. When they're baked and they're cool, do you know what you can do? You can go and hide them. I'm going to hide ours in the sand, and the children are going to go and find the crocodile teeth. They can put them back onto the Play-Doh mats, onto the crocodiles. So it's a bit like when you're digging for dinosaur bones. This time we're going to be digging for crocodile teeth. How exciting is that? So there's an idea for you. Okay, so go and have lots of fun with your counting. Just going to clean up my laptop from the salt dough. But we love playing with salt dough, don't we? Okay, so go and have lots of fun counting. And don't forget, when you're counting, you must point with your finger and have a go at making the right amount to show whatever the number tells you to do, that's how many you need to make. Okay? Have a go.